Hi guys, my name is Oliver. So today we'll be learning the letter T. The letter T is pronounced as T. Let's say it together. T, T, T. Good job. Come on, Chess, let's find some things beginning with T. Come on, let's find some toys. Hang on. Toys begins with T. T. Oys. Toys. Come on. Look, this is a teddy.
What are the sounds in teddy, Oliver?
T, E, D, E, teddy.
How many sounds are in teddy?
There are 4.
Hey, Ollie, come here. Ollie, what are those over there?
Those are trees.
What are the sounds in trees, Oliver?
E, S, trees.
How many sounds are in trees?
There are 4. Chess. T, t, turn on the lights.
Oh, that's a good one. Turn has the letter T in it. What are the sounds in turn, Oliver?
Turn.
Good job. And how many sounds are in turn?
There are 3.
Okay, I'll turn the lights on for you now. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.